Finding the courage to change, the power of perception. Today, I can choose to see things differently. There's nothing more powerful than my personal point of view. And my point of view of myself and my role in life is all powerful. If I perceive myself to be a victim, then it will be very difficult to convince me that I create my own reality. That's crazy talk. I would never have created this situation. In fact, many of my problems are because of a loved one. I'm powerless over that, right? I would never have created that. While it's true that I'm powerless over others, I have complete control over how I choose to see those situations. I can choose the role that I play in them. In fact, I am exactly like an actor in a play. The play is called My Life. If I believe that I am the powerless victim then I play that part. Things are sad and tragic and don't go well for me. If I believe that I'm a powerful and strong character with lots of talent and ability, then I play that part. My play becomes hopeful, and I'm able to succeed where I once failed. If I believe that I'm not good enough, my play is full of sadness. I attract others who reinforce my beliefs. If I believe that I'm blessed beyond measure, then my play becomes more positive and hopeful. The other actors are skilled. They will respond to whatever role I choose to play. Today, I can choose to see things differently, and that will make all the difference.